So fun. Today I'm going to my one market currently as we speak. Today is market sanitation, so I didn't want to go early. So this is currently after 11 or so. So come along with me, subscribe if you've not, turn on your post notification and enjoy the vlog. I just got back from the market. Initially I wanted to go to my one, but on my way I just thought about it that my one is going to be far and the prices of what I'm going to get there might end up to be the same. So instead of wasting my time going to my one and entering different transports, it's better I just go to 𝑬𝑒. So I ended up going to 𝑬𝑒. And I just came back. The sun over there is alarming. And a backstory: when I go to 𝑬𝑒, I drop at the 𝑬𝑒 section of the 𝑬𝑒. For me to cross over to the other side, they started fighting. I don't know, some people started fighting. I had to. The fighting was about to escalate to something else. So I had to enter Keke and go back to YKC. Whereas I came through Aba Road. I went back to YKC, checked the place I wanted to buy, the clothes I wanted to buy. The man did not have it. I had to enter Keke back to 𝑬𝑒 again. Then I crossed over to the other side of 𝑬𝑒 and I was able to successfully get some of the things I got. So I'm not taking my meal today. I just took water, and this should be past 1 or so, or past 2. I'm going to leave the time stamp on the screen for you guys. So I'm looking for what to eat now, but I want to still come and say hi to you guys because you're my G's, so I have to come and say hi to you guys. So today is one of those days where I don't feel like cooking anything. So I came over to Chicken Republic to get something. I jumped rope today, so after jumping rope I became so tired and weak. Make I I do my outfit of the day.